Hey kids! These days, we may be hearing a lot from our parents, our brothers and sisters, and our friends about just how important it is to make sure that we're washing our hands a lot to stay healthy and clean. It's pretty easy. All you need is some water, some soap, and a nice clean towel. Now, the most important thing is to make sure that you're using that soap and scrubbing your hands for 20 seconds. Here's a helpful hint to make sure that you're scrubbing your hands with that soap for the right amount of time. It's a song called "This Is the Way We Wash Our Hands," and if you sing it twice, you'll be good to go. Let's try it. First, use warm water to wet your hands. Then, use soap to lather them. Now here comes the important part. Use the soap to scrub your hands for 20 seconds.
This is the way we wash our hands, we wash our hands, we wash our hands. This is the way we wash our hands in order to stay healthy. This is the way we wash our hands, we wash our hands, we wash our hands. This is the way we wash our hands in order to stay healthy.
Then, when you're done, just rinse with the water and dry with the towel, and you'll be healthy, clean, and good to go.